Murder! Whoa! Sneeze the nearly give me whiplash. What's up, seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today is February 1st, the start to a perfect month. And when I say perfect month, I believe it starts on a Sunday and ends on Saturday or something like that, but it's like perfectly lined up on the calendar. And apparently this is not gonna happen again until like 2037. I don't know why I hit you guys with the did you know facts. Anyways, we're experiencing a cold front in Jamaica, and God knows it's cold for true. It's cold. It's really cold. And as you can see, I am in my apartment. Yeah, I came to Kingston today because I had a couple things to do. And why is over here colder than Portland? Like, I don't know what Portland feels like right now, but when I was leaving, you know, the typical rainy weather or whatever. But this right here, 18 degrees, dead dog. I cannot function in this type of weather. No. I can't manage them something. I just took a nice warm shower. I nearly never paid. On a regular day, I'm already a free. So can you just imagine what I'm going through right now? Y'all know my streak of dry January has come to an end and I can drink now. But that doesn't mean I'm going to abuse it, obviously. I don't know if I have tried this red stripe. This is the lemon one and I want to try it. I already opened it, so I'm gonna try it, okay? Wow, that felt amazing. Can you believe in like the first week of January I felt like I was having withdrawals? Nah, I don't feel that way anymore. It just tastes good right now. Kind of tastes like juice. It is after 12. I am extremely tired. Well, I was a lot more tired before I decided to go take a shower. Now I'm not as tired, but I still feel like I need to go to sleep. So big up the brand that sent this pajama set to me, because I got two of them because it was supposed to be a his and hers thing, but you know, I have no his, so they're both mine. The other one is in Portland and I am so happy. I'm so happy that I never gave this away, because I don't have anything else that is long sleeved right now that I could wear to sleep. Thank God. So if you want to see me night tomorrow night and the night after, mind the business. I'll chat with y'all in the morning. Bye. Mwah. Guten Morgen. It's the next day and I don't know, we're just cold. I am just freezing, bro. You know, when I come over here, my time is limited. I have to... Don't pee around. Hey! Do not pee around there. Sit. Good. Anyway, so I have a bunch of stuff to do. My apartment is in shambles. Like, things are just everywhere. This cannot be the room. This can't be the apartment. I worked so hard to clean. Like, every time I come back, every time I come back, I think it's because I just end up grabbing things and going, or looking for something and then leaving, or whatever the case is. That's definitely what this is. So remember that cold front I said we're experiencing right now? You know, so literally see somebody outside a wash right now. Hi, I'm right here. If you want me, come around here. Not coming on this bed though. I see somebody washing right now. And low-key, that is smart, because I feel like the clothes gonna dry quick because of all of this wind. But yeah, I have 3 promos to do. Let me start. Yeah, this is not the book I should write in, you know. I have an actual planner. I have a planner. Where is it? I need to find. It's also a planner, but that's not the one I want right now. I would just have to go use this one, yeah, man. So when I show you guys, you'll understand. So on this page, you have weekly budget, income, saving goals, monthly expenses. I don't really use this because I don't know, my brain just can't. I have a whole self-care part, the daily planner part. So you got the to-do list, you have today today I'm grateful for, your water tracker, etc, etc. So the to-do list, right? Y'all say you want a detailed makeup tutorial, so I might film that today. And the reason why I might film it today is because it will help me with one of my other promos that I have to get dolled up for. You know? Yeah, kill two birds with one stone. Today is Monday. Haven't drank any water today. I have not been drinking water recently, so I need to go buy some water because this is ridiculous. I got a juicer, right? So when I want to make my turmeric shots again, I don't have to use a blender. I'm so happy about that. I don't have to use a blender. I can use my juicer. I need to buy some ingredients. So I need to buy lemon, orange. But like, I don't want a whole bag. We need like 3 of each. That was supposed to come up to 5 grand, but the way of the world I go, it might. Oh, I might need to buy saltfish because I'm feeling for baked beans and saltfish with some boiled dumpling. Yeah, that's what I'm feeling for. Today I'm grateful for talent. My talent, because my talent brings me a far way. What do you call this, a journal? This is where I write down my content. So, see that? Detailed makeup tutorial. Spend the day with me. I posted that already. Guys, I'm really trying. I'm really trying so hard to be an organized daddy. And I'm supposed to even do a video with Neil today, but boy, I don't know. We need to get all of these things done first. So what I think I need to do first is probably the makeup tutorial. But then my hair isn't done. I might have to draw on my wig. I'm sorry. Me and my one wig. So I go. Hey y'all! It is later in the day. I did one of the videos. Actually, I did 2. Wow, I'm proud of myself, eh? I did 2 of them. So I did the detailed makeup routine and it actually came out so much better than I expected. Why am I seeing that I only have 3 minutes left? I will talk to you guys soon because I'm trying to meet up with Neil now to see if I can get a video done and then come back and finish my other promos. In the meantime, I'm gonna see if I can delete some footage off of this camera so I can get some space to vlog. And I literally took up the DJI and put it back down because I'm like, I already have this camera, I don't need to work with another one. Hi Neilbert.
Hi, Silver, we missed you.
Oh my god.
Guys, we're going to shoot another banger.
Guys, me cool. I have 2 shirts, 2 pants, socks, Crocs.
Listen to this content thing.
Huh?
Listen to this content thing.
I mean,
Neil.
it pays my bills.
Neil.
Thank you. Thank you. I hear that? The Disney Channel show was a hit. I have like 2 more promos to do. So I have to go home and change my clothes and do the people in promo.
Like my first house, guys.
Period. Rich off content, you know?
Guys, it's a hard journey. It's a hard journey. I've been working my ass off. And you know, views pays, you know.
Right.
You know. I didn't have the privilege of having content friends to help me in any way. I did it all by myself.
Welcome to my new home.
No, welcome to...
Oh, your new home.
Yeah.
Welcome to your new home.
Wow, amazing.
Let's get it, Shelby. Oh.
You can stop when you're ready because I have enough space.
So why you started?
Because I want to have something brand new.
Alright.
Come here.
What are you doing?
Come here. You can step back. Alright, so go for it. Let's go for it. Cinematic.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, let's start that.
Airplane mode.
I don't need to say you're not cool.
I would like your jacket.
Should I say, you sure you don't want my jacket?
Yeah.
And I say, before me can't even answer, you say, I want your jacket.
Yeah.
You hear that? Before.
Yeah.
Before me even have a chance. You understand?
3, 2.
Cool.
You sure you don't want my jacket? Oh.
You want it right there? That.
Yeah, but pump you in your back.
Shelby, easy, my bro.
It is after 12. I am finally home. And the makeup is still tea. I did not touch up my face at all. Like obviously the lip is gone, but like get into it. Oh, my room obviously needs to be cleaned. All my makeup and all of these things. So I got PR. I got PR from Snob Beauty and I did the unboxing. I never showed it to the vlog first, but yeah, this is the aftermath, which I'm gonna clean up right now. So yeah, I think this was just so cute. Like the packaging was so cute. Everything about this was just screaming girl la la. Growing up, I was not a pink girl, and they say when you start to like pink, it's because your inner girl or your inner child is healing. So I'm not mad. These are the two glosses. So you have J Name and Snobby. This is so cute. I love it. I also got a bottle of Bottega. I got some flowers, a little dead, but you know, yeah. This is also so cute. I feel like I'm a sweetie. I got a gift card from the Lash Laboratory. Do you have a mirror with your name on it? I didn't think so. Anyways, I have all of this to clean up and put back. I just can't. But I also have a promo to do. Why is this so close to my face? I also have another promo to do, and I am wondering if I can push through and get that done right now. Why? Since my makeup is already done, I just need to change my headband, change my clothes, well, change the top. No, I'm here tonight, I'm here to let you, the place just cool. And I could turn on my heater and do all of that wonderful stuff, but it's like in the cold. But me up in bed. Can I get away with tidying tonight? I'm alone asleep. You know what, bed. So finally, a sun while live youth. I can't do this. 18 degrees dead dog. This not right, this not fair. Try to see if I can do that promo here. I don't know if I need to take a nap first. That's a bad idea. Discipline shall be discipline. Also, it's after 12 and I never got to finish reading for today. You know, I said I wanted to read a verse. Yeah, I'm gonna say a verse in the Bible every single day. Or maybe not a verse, just read the Bible, right? So I started reading. I'm gonna think I reached like 2 verses and then I end up having to do something. And then the day ended and I didn't get to. But I do want to finish the verse that I was reading before I go to sleep. Like, yeah, I still have to do that for myself. I still owe it to myself to do that. And yeah, mega make it count because me not drop asleep yet. If I fell asleep, if I went this entire day and then I went to sleep and then I didn't do it, I'd feel bad. But I haven't gone to sleep yet, so I will do it before I go to sleep. It still counts, whatever. Okay, if y'all don't see me again, see y'all in the morning. Guys, I just done the promo. I almost didn't do it tonight, I'm not gonna lie, because I am so tired. But again, what is the word for the year? Discipline. The old me, it's not that old. Yeah, a version of me would have said, I'm not doing this. I'm wiping off this makeup and I'll figure it out another day. But I have work to do and I'm getting paid to do it. So I need to get my panties out of the bunch and do what I have to do. And I did. It's probably 1 a.m. right now. It's probably 1 a.m. right now. Me rotted. Guys, it is 2 a.m. See how I sit there, ma'am? I hope you know join the giveaway. I'm going to wipe this makeup off. It held up so well. I am so proud of my makeup. Like the makeup name for real. I decided to keep Enzo in here tonight because I felt so bad for him last night because I normally let him stay in the living room in his cage and do his thing. I really needed to wash his bed, but I didn't get a chance to. So me just decided to give it back today and I feel like he's so much more comfortable. I don't think he's gonna be as cold as he was last night. I feel like he was really cold last night. This morning I got the animal shiver, poor thing. I put him in my room because in here is warmer than the living room. So hopefully he's okay. He's not whimpering or doing the most right now. So yeah, he just loves his mama. Just loves his mother. Anyways, good night. I'm making some saltfish, baked beans. If the drinking is back on. Damn, can I have a minute? Yeah, I'm not restricted. That saltfish I did in my fridge too long. Why tough? You know, so I'm gonna scream. I don't get to wait all long. I'm a saltfish tough. Alexa, volume down by 2. Can't waste all of it. So any little shilling when I get where you can't eat, I'm gonna eat it, you know, because my heart hurt. Maybe no, should I buy more now? I am mad. I am upset. Alright. Fit as it is. Can't bother. Scotch bonnet pepper. Bless me. This is a disgrace. Young hoes don't want to dirty up any more plates. So, she's gonna put the saltfish fritters them on a napkin and eat it, especially since the water gone. Ta-da! Bling bling bling, bitches is mad. So for the month of January, you know, I did dry January, I didn't do any drinking. But for February, initially I was gonna do like no swearing for February. That one didn't gonna work out, so we have to go postpone that one day. So I decided that I'm gonna read every day for the month of February. And I had this book. It's in Portland. I need to go find it. It's called His Dark Materials by Philip Pullman. The book thick about so, and I don't finish the book to this day. Like I think I reached half of it, and I've had that from high school. So I'm gonna start it over because I felt like I was, I don't know, my smartness, my knowledge, my wiseness was peak when I was reading that book, because I literally had my dictionary on hand because I couldn't remember half of the words. I'll never forget, I learned the word myriad from that book. I don't know why that's the only word I can remember that I remembered from that book, but yeah. And I was using it in my vocabulary a lot. Instead of saying a lot of things, I'd be like, oh yes, I had a myriad of things. Like reading is so fun. Reading is so fun. I was thinking of reading that book, but I came over here, I have some little things to do and whatever, and I didn't bring the book, so I was like, I need something else to read, but I don't want to read like little novels that I have. So I said, what better book to read than the Bible? So I start over, because I did start read it last year, but I don't remember where I stopped. So I started right over. I start back with Genesis. I think I might just read them both. Maybe like one in the day, one in the night. So I don't know. For the people on the vlog that don't get to witness this greatness in real time, y'all can follow me on TikTok at AndImShelby1. Right. I need to find a trainer like really quickly for Enzo, because him don't learn. Him don't learn, and I'm gonna bust him ass. Guys, tell me why. The little time I moved from the bedroom to come in here, literally just move from there, walk in here, put this on the stove. When me look round, not enter that from my bed. Not enter that from my bed. So you know, and like him sister him get catch and he started running and he didn't know where to run. Him run go further up on the bed. And then when I stand up over him, him just lie down in defeat, because him either know one of two things, no, one of three things gonna come. I'm going to verbally, what do you call that word? I don't know, verbally discipline him. I'm a belt to ass, or I'm gonna put him in the cage. Scold was not the word I was looking for, but I think it starts with an R. Reprimand. Right. Not abuse. Oh my god. No. Ha. Last year we do not want to do my people promos we go do. Okay guys, it's time for me to go back to Portland. But I am looking for dog food. Huh? I found it. Yeah. Thanks. So I normally get this one, but I started giving Enzo pedigree, which is not here. Yes. I could try with this one. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one. Nah, I'm going back. I feel like his regular puppy chow is healthier. Yeah, I'm gonna get the puppy chow. I am on my way to Portland. What time is it now? 3:38. I am in. Am I in St. Mary? I think I'm in St. Mary because I passed Castleton already. Listen, you have to be a good driver for driving a junction a certain way. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, I'm hoping to get there before 6 o'clock. I was gonna say I want to get there by 5, but you know, depending on if it's raining, like in Anata Bay, for example, then it's gonna take me a minute because I am not flying in any rain. So sorry. No man, the junction MP, y'all need to fix the road expeditiously. This is disgusting. But yeah, I am gonna put down the camera now and I'll talk back to you guys when I get home. Hello chat, it is the next day and I'm currently in Ochi. I had to come deal with some business, so while I wait I decided to just come in the car because inside cold, man. I'm hungry. There's an island grill here, but the thing is I don't want to leave and try to buy food and then have to hurry up and go back do what I'm doing. So I think I should just wait until I'm done and then get food and pray that the line is not long by the time I'm finished. It's 12:07. I have a video to drop today and it's not finished. So I have 2 videos to drop, right? One of them is the makeup tutorial and one of them is, well, initially it was supposed to be a 2026 reset, but it got pushed back for various reasons and I kind of don't know the direction the video is going anymore because it's February. I wanted to post it in January, but you know, I'm still gonna make it work. But the thing is I have to post it because the content in it, some of it was sponsored and it has now been approved. I may need to post it because I posted the giveaway. I'm sure by the time you're seeing this you already see the giveaway on my page, like self-care bundle products, whatever, and I need to post the corresponding YouTube video. Out of mercy. So hopefully I finish everything that I have to do and reach back to Portland by 3 o'clock. I didn't really think this one through, did I? Or should I really go buy the little food, you know? Thorough drive through. Why me a walk? Why me a walk? Ugh. Okay, so I decided to buy some iron grill. I just got a jerk burger, some fries, and this pineapple guava juice, I think. Haven't tasted it yet. Thank you, God. Woo! I felt like I was left in the desert to dry out. That just quenched my thirst. But yeah, so I have this new app called Gift Me. So for example, you know, like when you use a credit card, and depends on the type of credit card you use, you can get cash back at the end of the year. So when you use it at like gas stations, supermarkets, places like those, you get a higher percentage of cash back or whatever. Alright, so this app named Gift Me kind of does the same thing, but it's not a credit card. It's linked to your debit card. So basically you put your debit card in the app, and I just tested it out at Island Grill. So go Island Grill, you show them the QR code from the app and it takes the money from your card obviously, but you get cash back. I don't remember when you get the cash back, but yeah, you get cash back. And I feel like, oh my god, is that my high school classmate? It is. Anyways, yeah, you get cash back, and that just makes sense to me because instead of just using the debit card, right, it's still a come from debit card, you know, but if I had just used the debit card alone, wouldn't get no cash back. But when I use it through the app, then I get some money back. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah, if you want to download the app, use my referral code. Mind you, this is not even sponsored or anything. It's just, I feel like I could have shared this with you know. Anywhere we can make money or get back some money after we don't spend too much, I'm always push out on. Okay, like I don't think it's hard enough as it is. If I can save little or make little, yeah. So I actually didn't get a jerk burger. I got a chicken sandwich combo. Still got the jerk burger, but I was trying to be healthy. Don't know why, because I even get wheat bread. Like, who am I? Anyways, I'll talk back to you guys when I'm done. I really wish I brought my laptop because I did not know I would take so long, and I don't know if I'm gonna get to upload my videos today. Good morning, bless the name of Jesus. I am already on the road because I had a couple things to do. First being collect my new credit card because something was wrong with the old one. It just stopped working, so I got a replacement. Yay! Yeah, so I did that, and thankfully Nutsford is in the same plaza because I have something to ship off, which is Polaroid film. If you didn't know, I sell Polaroid film. So that's what your girl is doing. What's the card there? I was wondering where this card was. Anyways, here is my thank you bag with my sister. I should have had some bubble wrap. Yeah, so this is where I'm going right now. I'm gonna do that and come back. I can't bother bringing them. People, I need new tire. I need 2 new front tires. They have given up on me. With all the back and forth I've been doing, it's about time. This is the second tire shop I've been to now, and them don't have what I want. I need to piss me off. I need to hurry up and do this because I have to go back to Kingston tomorrow. I have to get this sorted out today. The thing is, I don't like driving all over the place like this because there's not much parking available. So right now, if me even do find a place here, no parking are there because I know it on the roadside. When I ask, anybody give me a blind? Thank you. CC Bakery right there. So, oh, okay. So good to actually look. I see it. Oh, thank God. There is parking. Yay. Jesus. Good morning. Good morning. I am petrified. And here's why. Do y'all see this? Request, big up yourself anyway. They in the dance. But damn! If I knew this was this big and heavy, I would have asked for backup. I don't know how I'm going to bring this into my apartment up those stairs. I feel like I may have to dismantle it from downstairs because I cannot bring that box. I can't bring that box there actually. It's 116 pounds. You see, if it was 116 pounds and smaller, bad and not so bad, but it's a big box. I couldn't even drag it. I'm not gonna try. I am literally, it's that time of the month. I'm not gonna exert that much, power that I don't have. I don't even know what's in this. Oh, I think I know. No, never mind. I know what's in that. I have another package to pick up. Since I'm on the road, I might as well just collect it now. I have some skincare to pick up because I think I told you guys in one of my last vlogs that my skin was doing the most. So I'm getting some skincare from none other than the Skin Fairy. So I'm going to call her and ask her if I can pick up. No, because I don't know how my weeks stay. When I come here, I don't have much time. I'm so excited for this package because it's my TV stand. Your girl finally has a TV stand. I know. I'm genuinely concerned. Like, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. How many hours is it gonna take me to build this? Do I need backup? Do I need to call for backup? Burger King stopped the breakfast by now. It's 10:48. You balling now? Let's go home. So I decided to come to Wendy's and I'm getting a spicy fish wrap with a water. You know what I should do? Honestly, I'm not doing that today. I'm sorry. Today I can't even rest today. Like today I wanted to just rest today, but I can't. Thankfully, I already edited my video I'm gonna upload today. All I have to do is, well, actually I want to redo the intro because the idea just came into my head of how I want the intro to look. So I'm gonna redo the intro And I also forgot to add a picture, so I do have a little bit of re-editing to do, but it's nothing crazy. Kind of vexing me I have to do all of that, because that kind of defeat the whole purpose of me already editing, uploading, putting the title, the description, adding all the tags, putting all the ads exactly where I want it, etc, etc. And then I gotta do it all over again today, on the day that it's supposed to just go up. Like, all I was supposed to do today was hit publish. That's it. But it's okay, we're getting better, because at least I don't have to edit the entire thing today, because sometimes that happens a lot, where I will tell you guys that, yeah, you're getting a vlog on Sunday, and Sunday morning is when I get up and decide to edit the entire vlog. So a lot of times my best work is not put out in the vlogs, because I literally edit and post on the same day, because I'm trying to hit a deadline. But yeah, me I try my best now not to really do that. So between tomorrow and Tuesday, I'm gonna edit the video that I have for Wednesday, and on Wednesday, no, not on Wednesday, on like Thursday, Friday, I'm gonna try to edit the video that I have for Sunday. And that's just kind of how, you know, that's how I'm trying to have my workflow. I am going to call Wash on Wheels today, because tell me why I'm open the car today and pet here just a fly. Ends off go down. Hello, morning.
Do a VOC for me?
Huh?
VOC. Visit our website and tell us always the service at the drive-thru.
Okay. I have to do it now?
I get the receipt.
Oh. I'm gonna eat this right here, right now, because I'm just hungry. I was gonna wait till I get home, but no. It comes with fries. I never really want to eat fries so early in the morning, but some good fries. Wendy's. Are the wraps getting smaller? Them used to bigger, you know? Them used to bigger when them did cost $300. What is? Ridiculous. They were bigger. They were bigger. Remember in the Bible when them say honor thy neighbor or something like so? Yeah, my neighbors are good something to have. You must be in good standing with your neighbors. You must be good to your neighbors, because your neighbors gonna be good to you. You see that same package? I was about to open it up downstairs, because I genuinely just could not bring it upstairs. So I was trying to haul it at least through the door, and then, you know, it would be easier for me to travel with the stuff up the stairs and down or whatever. And my neighbor was passing, was like, are you good? Do you need some help? And at first I was gonna be like, no, because, you know, I don't like bothering people. And she's like, it's okay. And she helped me haul it up the stairs like it wants to the tour. I was still struggling even though I had help. So can you imagine if I even attempted to do that by myself? But big up you, girl, you're strong. You're strong. And this just showed me that I really need to go to the gym. I need to put some flesh on these bones, because this is a man's job. Here it is. Here's my package, and of course Enzo is here. Yeah, I have to start tying up Enzo whenever I let him loose, because yeah, he keeps going in my couch and peeing in my couch, and we're not having that. So anyways, we're gonna start on this. Yeah, so let's just open it, get into the nitty-gritty of it. Let's just get the ball rolling. Okay. You already know I'm back with an apartment find, and this one is a TV stand from none other than Costway. So here are all the pieces laid out somewhere on the couch. So this TV stand comes in a bunch of different colors, black, white, gray, and it is 58 inches, and it has a fireplace that actually works. It's not just for decoration, it actually works. I'm gonna tell you guys, it's heavy, right? It is heavy. You're gonna need help. I should have called for backup, but you know, I did it. I did what I could, and I could what I did, and it was done, but I should have had backup. But other than that, just watch me put this bad boy together, and I'll see you when I'm done. Stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me. Leaving me. We got sticks in the plug illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on the 401. And that is the finished result. You see, I already put some stuff in there. We'll put some, look at some up there. So I have a fireplace, so I'm gonna plug that in now so you guys can see it. I love it. It fits with my aesthetic perfectly. Oh my gosh! Yeah! So exciting. It actually works, guys. See the different levels? That's the lowest flame. If you want it to be warmer, that is the highest flame. So that's level 3. So I can make it hotter or not. So it actually works, guys. So do not touch it. It will actually burn you. Let me go. Yup. So this is where the heat is coming from. Like right here. It is very hot. So yeah, we're gonna just turn this off. Thank you so much to Costway for always putting your girl on, hooking your girl up. If you want this exact fireplace, I will have the link in my description box below. And once again, thank you so much to Costway for sponsoring this section of the video. Alright guys, so it's the next day, and remember I said I wanted to go pick up my skincare stuff, so I picked it up today. And I got my little curated box from the Skin Fairy. So we're gonna open her on up. I wish I could tie back the box exactly how it came, but I know I won't be able to. See what I got. I mean, she already sent me like my routine from now on, because basically you can go on the website, so skinfairyja.com, and you can do a little quiz or survey about your skin, the condition of your skin, and then you get emailed a routine, either a daily routine or a nightly routine, whatever the case is. So I had already gotten that, and here are my products. I am familiar with most of them, but I did get a new one, Panoxyl. I always hear people talk about Panoxyl, but I've never had Panoxyl or have used it before, so I'm a little excited to try. My skin has been breaking out a little bit. I know you guys will say, Shelby, that's nothing to do that. But you see, when you're used to something and it completely changes, you obviously notice it. So I keep getting these tiny little bumps. You won't even be able to see it. But anyways, I keep getting these tiny little bumps around here and right here on my face. And I absolutely hate it. It is, I'm not going to say it's like lowering my confidence, because I'm still that girl. You know, I'm just so used to having flawless skin, and what is this? It's literally because of 1, change of environment, and 2, stress. I never knew that stress would have caused this. Like, I'm okay, or I'm getting better now, mentally and all of that, but obviously physical effects will take a while to get back to normal. So yeah, mission 1, get the face back in order. Mission 2, I need to gain back my weight because I lost weight. I already don't even have it to lose, and I lost it. Good boy, good job. Peed on his pee pad exactly where he's supposed to, so yeah, you know, I have to praise him. He's looking for somewhere to poop. He's definitely circling. I want to show him, but you see, as soon as I put the camera on him, he's gonna stop. Yes. Thank God. Yeah, this is my facial cleanser, the Panoxyl. This is actually for face and body. I also got back a Good Molecules brightening toner. I already have one, but I don't mind having more. A milk cleanser. And this was made by the Skin Fairy, by the way. This is the original product. She makes her own products as well as sell, you know, the stuff we're used to and whatever. I really do love her products as well. Like, sometimes I'll use her bar soaps and bathe with and wash my face, and super hydrating. I just love her products, and this is why I'm always gonna put y'all on to her. What else? My niacinamide. See, again, the salicylic mask, and I got a new exfoliating scrub. Again, this is the original product. I feel like she makes the best scrubs. They're not too abrasive, like they're not too rough on your skin. You don't even have to use exfoliating glove, but she gave me one anyways. This one is a new scent though. I normally always get the watermelon one. This one is cashmere plum. It smells so good. I can't wait to use it. So yeah, that's my little skincare haul. I just bought some food for Enzo a while ago because, again, I realized I left the big bag of food in Portland, so I had to buy more. Buy a small one though, because I'm gonna make Enzo broken. Hello, it's me again. The stuff that I got from Temu, I wanted to do the haul tonight, but I also can't bother. I feel like I want to clean my space first. So my living room And the little dining area is, you know, we getting there. We getting somewhere. But you see right here, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, here and here, we need to sort that out. I feel like I'm kind of renovating the space a little bit now, and I am getting more storage. So yeah, I just want the place to stay clean. I decided that I am just gonna start doing black and white for the whole apartment. Yeah, you know, the doll is just grateful. I am so grateful that I can still say this, that 90% of my house is sponsored. 90% of this apartment is sponsored because I have a whole TV stand now that I did not buy. Ain't got good. I literally have been saying to myself, I need a TV stand. I was going to buy one. I was gonna buy one, right? And I was like, I don't even watch TV, so I'm not gonna buy a TV stand. I don't even have a TV yet. And now I feel like I have a reason to get a TV, you know? Yeah, and I feel like, no, I would want to watch more TV simply because when I go to Portland, I'm always in the couch and I'm always watching TV. I feel like I tell myself I don't really care for TV or I don't really like TV because everywhere that I've lived before, I've never had a TV. But every time I go to Portland, I meet that cock up in front of my big TV. So it's like, But anyways, too much talking. I got this device. It's another skincare device. One thing with me, I'm gonna collect skincare and self-care devices like infinity stones. I have to admit that I do feel like pink is becoming one of my colors. I have to admit it. I'm looking down in front of me right now. Pink hairbrush. I don't even know what this is. It's pink. Pink. That light pastel pink. I like it. What this is, but it's for your face and neck. I think it's kind of like a gua sha. So you know the thing with them use and rub out them jaw and rub under them eyes and all of that. Yeah. Anyways, I will dive into that a little bit later. I'm gonna maybe do a skincare. I was gonna say I'm gonna do a skincare video later, but I might not. I might just do my skincare just because. Next thing, I literally just called Shanita and them a while ago. And I'm gonna be heading over there soon, and I just ordered pizza and asked them to pick it up, and I told them that me no want to pick it up because Mega just hurry up and clean the kitchen and then bathe and then go, and I just realized that I have been chatting away this entire time like I don't have somewhere to be. So let's clean. So this is what over here is looking like, right? I put this in here a while ago, but now I'm wondering if I should put this in the corner there because I wanted to put it on the floor initially, but I don't have anywhere else. Like, it can't really hold, to be honest. It just can't. It fits perfectly. Yay! It's too bad I'm gonna have to like put stuff on it though, because now it might look a little cluttered, which I don't really want. I don't want it to look cluttered, but I have to do. I can't have the space, man. I don't have the space for stuff. Maybe I'll put this on the bottom. Yeah, but I hated the stuff on top of the microwave, so yeah, this may have to work. Around the back there, I could put my blender. There we go, we're making space. So now I can put my rice cooker back down here. I really don't want to clutter this up. Ugh. Okay, y'all see me in this car. Y'all know what time it is. It is time to go to Portland once again. But I just picked up another package from Request, and I am going to Standpipe to buy some box food. Yeah. But I don't know, me and the box food from Standpipe go together so bad. So bad. I don't know what them putting in the box food, but it just, I don't know. I don't know what it does. But it is $2.49 right now. There is traffic on the road, so I know I'm going to get to Portland a little bit on the later side, because I know by the time I reach home it's going to be like 3:30, and then leave out. I basically have on like my clothes already to leave out, but Lord Jesus, can I fix the road? I already put my bags in the car and everything. The only thing I have to do is take Enzo and his stuff and put it in the car. I finally got a car wash. 7 a.m. this morning. 7 a.m. this morning. That is so stupid and redundant. 7 o'clock this morning, I let Wash and Wheels come and wash the car because I couldn't do it anymore. Like when him come, he was like, so where do the whole of Christmas and January? I'm like, I wasn't here, man. I wasn't here, so the car was not washed. And him said, I can see. Shame I kill me. Shame I kill me. I like that I always book the same person, so you know, them know how me like my car wash. Can you please move? Please don't leak. Please don't leak. Take your time, Shelby. Take your time. Don't leave the car. Okay. Yeah, so the car is clean, and yeah, I'm gonna take my leave. I don't know. I think the times that I keep coming to Kingston, whether I have something to do, when I do get my stuff done, and I just have this space where I'm in limbo because I'm still kind of juggling being here and being in Portland. So low-key, it feels like I visit Kingston, and when I do, I feel like I have nothing to do. I feel like I don't know, I just feel bored, and I just want to go back to Portland, even though Portland is not like it's exciting or anything either. So I'm not coming to the road. Take your time, girl. Take it. Man, I wanted to vlog. I wanted to show you guys exactly where I was gonna go. It's alright. When we get my food, I talk back to them because too much people to this right now. I can't bother with the chattings. I low-key don't know the direction this vlog is going anymore, so I think I should close out this vlog. Yeah, if you made it this far, make sure you comment this emoji, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.